Hey guys, welcome to the BS Tech channel, and in this video we are gonna talking about some upcoming launches of smartphones. So before starting the video, we can assure you that the channel is a Hindi channel, but this video is specially made for those audience which are from global, and this video is specially made to reach the global audience. So yeah, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first we are gonna talking about iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. So despite iPhone 14 still being a new device, rumors about the new generation iPhone 15 have already started. Apple has already confirmed the move from Lightning to USB-C, while other rumors speculate that Apple will move from physical buttons to solid-state haptic buttons. The next models will almost certainly land in September or October 2023. So guys, now we're talking about Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro. So Xiaomi has already announced the first models in its 2023 flagship range in China at least. We're still awaiting global launch, but the company has announced that the new phones will be arriving in time for MWC in Barcelona at the end of February 2023. Both the 13 and 13 Pro are powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and features 120Hz refresh rates and impressive triple camera systems. Stay tuned for more news on the global launch. So now guys, if we talk about the Nothing phone, so Carpay's relatively new company has announced that it intends to expand into US, and that will include the second generation Nothing phone. So according to leaks, the Nothing Phone 2 will arrive at some point in Q3 of 2023, and it will use a flagship Snapdragon 8 series chipset. Yes, it's a very good news. And Wi-Fi 5000 mAh battery. It's expected to step things up considerably from the Nothing Phone 1, which was in most senses a mid-range phone with flashing lights on the back. Now comes Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So rumors have already started up for Samsung next foldable flagship, and it's sounding a lot like Samsung has taken on board criticism, and it's addressing a couple of consumer pain points. So yes, one of those in this case on the display. It's been suggested that the next model will feature a droplet curve in the display to avoid that easily visible distinct crease and remove the gap when closed. It's also suggested will say a permanent S Pen silo in the frame of the phone. And now comes the finally Microsoft Surface Foldable. Having tried two generations of Surface Duo with two screens that fold shut, it's been said that Microsoft has left plans for a third generation and is instead on working on a phone with one large foldable screen instead. If so, it could see the Microsoft Surface Foldable work more like a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and not a two-screen smartphone with a hang. So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please share, subscribe our new YouTube channel BS Tech. So goodbye. Bande Mataram.